Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check for Target Circle offers on the Target app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and check for Target Circle offers on the Target app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Target app. Then on the top hand side, you're going to see a notification that says you have one new circle bonus. If you click on that, this is going to show you your Target Circle offers on the Target app. Additionally, if you click on deals, you could also see the same deals or circle bonuses on this page here. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and check for Target Circle offers on the Target app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.